Traveling the world with Nana. Across the African plains, a safari adventure with Nana. Mike loved two things more than anything in the world: birthdays and adventures. Every year, on his birthday, Mike and his grandpa Nana traveled to a new country. It was their special tradition. This year, Mike was turning 6, and he had one big wish. I want to see wild animals, not in a zoo, in the real wild. Nana smiled. We are going to South Africa, a real safari. They boarded a big airplane and flew toward Africa. When they arrived, everything felt different. Warm air, wide sky, endless land. They met friendly local people. They tasted new foods. They heard new languages. Finally, the day has arrived. It's Safari Day. They climbed into an open jeep. A herd of elephants walked across the land. Giraffes, zebras, and wildebeests filled the land. A cheetah ran faster than Mike had ever seen. A leopard crept through the grass toward a baby deer. In nature, every animal has a role, Nana explained. They saw crocodiles, hyenas, warthogs, and meerkats, all free, all wild. The next day, they visited the Maasai people. Different people, different ways, one big world. Soon it was time to go home. Mike would miss Africa. On the airplane, Mike asked when they would return. Africa will always be special. Lesson from Africa. Nature has balance. Animals belong in the wild. The world is full of wonder. Thank you for spending story time with us today. If your child enjoyed this story, you can purchase the physical book using the Amazon link in the description below. For more read aloud stories that support reading confidence, imagination, and calm bedtime routines, you are always welcome at Inner Harmony Reads.